Today here at the Angrai Community Services, the Integrated Center, we have the absolute pleasure of Dr. Rogers from Montgomery County visiting us. He leads all the strategy and the health policy for the Department of Health and Human Services, Montgomery County. And we had an opportunity to discuss and also go around the facility. Thank you so much for visiting us today, Dr. Rogers. And I'm going to yield it to you so you can talk a little bit about where we think we are as a whole in this COVID resilience journey, as well as the specific actions and activities that the county is leading and you're spearheading, and how we can support as Angrai and the message to the community.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it being here. Things are getting better, and so we are grateful for partners such as Angrai who have committed themselves to ensuring our community residents have access to testing and COVID-19 vaccines. I'll tell you one thing that I've been very impressed with during my time here today is your level of cultural competency and making sure that the residents that you are serving, making sure that we meet their needs as far as their language is spoken. I mean, I was very impressed with the room that you showed me, where if a person of a certain ethnic group has a cultural sensitivity to exposing perhaps their own, you can take them into a private room so that they can feel much more comfortable with getting the vaccine. And so that's key, that's important, because our residents really want to know that the places that they are going in order to get tested and vaccinated, that we are being flexible and understanding of their needs and their preferences. And so we still have some work to do. Although there's low risk transmission in the community, there is still we still want to encourage individuals to get vaccinated. I myself am taking my children to get vaccinated, my teenagers to get vaccinated this weekend. And so we want to continue to encourage parents to encourage their children or take their children to get vaccinated to community centers such as yours. And also, we've been talking a lot about COVID-19. What COVID-19 has done, and has really provided a greater light on the disparities, the health disparities, the social determinants in our community. They always existed, but COVID-19 has really exacerbated those. And so in the county, we are continuing to take a concerted effort on programs and policies and services to address social determinants such as access to food, access to affordable housing, transportation services. We also are continuing to focus on initiatives such as type 2 diabetes. We are launching a type 2 diabetes strategic plan with various components. We look forward to partnering with your organization to help stand up many of those strategies to help to improve diabetes outcomes within our most vulnerable communities. And so we're looking forward to a good relationship with you and helping to improve the health and wellness of our community residents as we transition out of this COVID-19 pandemic. It'll be here, unfortunately. It's with us like the flu, but we all have a role to do by making sure that we get vaccinated and encourage our loved ones to get vaccinated so that we can reduce the transmission and spread of COVID-19 in our community.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you so much.